So hey friends, you are welcome on my channel, and in this video we will discuss how you can sell your products in DMart. And this process is truly very easy, and just you have to follow some steps. Before that, I would like to explain you, and this is very important for you all, so please listen it carefully. So if you look in DMart, most of the products, like almost 70 to 80% of the products in DMart is not by DMart itself, but by the sellers or the manufacturers or the retailers, that like the distributors keep their product, and they pay for the either they pay for the space, or either they pay the commission. It is solely dependent on DMart how it provide you the the process, how it give you the its space. So this is one thing, and DMart take care of your product. It take care of the full payment reports, it take care of the inventory report and the payments also. So, and in a beginning of the month, it gives you the all your payment and the inventory report. Everything is taken care of by DMart. Just you have to pay for the either for the space or for the commission on the product. It is solely dependent on DMart. And so now we will discuss how you can sell your product in DMart. Like you have seen the footballs and the clothes and the winter seasonal goods that you see in DMart is by the distributor or by the manufacturer directly. So that is it. Here now we will discuss how you can sell your products in DMart, like how you will have to contact DMart directly. I have contacted, and now I'm just waiting for the reply, and once I get the reply, I will thereafter explain you everything. So for now, how you can contact DMart, that will be explained. So here's the procedure. So before starting, the first and the foremost thing is that you can't directly contact DMart through visiting physically. There is only one procedure, that is online procedure, and here is the proof for that also. Like when you search in Google that in the search bar, you just have to type partner with DMart, and here you can the first web page that opens up that shows up is the partner with us DMart. There you have to click, the link will be in the description. And here if you can see, we are in red, in bold red, it is clearly mentioned that we are temporarily suspending our Tuesday walk-ins in the sense for all vendors. So Tuesday walk-ins in the sense no vendors are allowed to directly contact DMart physically. All the procedures are now being handled through the online method. So here you will have to fill all the details, and after finishing all the details, just have to submit and wait for the reply from DMart. So we have to so let's see what are the fields that we have to sell in, and what is mandatory here. And here it is clearly mentioned that our team will get in touch with you based on requirements. So if there is a requirement, then the team will contact you. Either they will also email you writing that there is no requirement, and if there is further such requirement, they will contact you surely. So first of all, you have to name your company. If you are a distributor, just give your name itself, nothing is compulsory. And for the website is also important. So for the website, I can give you one tip, that you can just name your product and get some details from the Google, and just create a blog post like from the blogger blog post. It is very easy. It just takes 5 minutes from the blogger to create a website. You don't need anything, just upload that website address here. So this is also very easy, and for that, if you find it difficult, you can just contact me in the description below, or you can contact me over my email in my about section of the YouTube page. Okay, so then we have the first name, last name, that is easy. Then we have to fill the email ID, mobile number. Your personal email ID is very much allowed. And then the telephone number, you can give your cell phone number, no need for the telephone number. Who uses a telephone number nowadays? And then the entire state, like enter the state, your state in Maharashtra or whatever. Mine is Maharashtra. Then city Mumbai, and you will get the drop down. Just you have to select that. Location will be automatically, or you have to just give your company address is your shop address or your home address, whatever it is. Or if you are a manufacturer or a dealer, just give your office address or your shop address, or pin code your. So these are just the basic details. Now here comes the product details, and we have to enter the category, in which category we want. Like you have to just select your category. If you are selling some seasonal products, there is seasonal category also, if you can see here. And then next comes the goods and service being offered. Just you have to describe some little here in just 3-4 words, and give your PAN card number. GST is the must nowadays, so you will have to buy GST if you want to sell in DMart, because sellers there easily earn more than 40 lakhs a year. So here the GST, according to them, GST is must. And what kind of GST is yours, regular or composite, that can, if you want a video on that, I will give you the detailed video on that also if you demand. And then the period in distributorship, manufacturing, import. So if you are a distributor or a manufacturer, or you are importing from another country, just you have to type any of the three. Okay, then next is the area covered. What is the area covered? Your area, like I'm from Mumbai, so I will type Mumbai. Annual turnover. So this is my first products. I have just entered 0 over here. So here, according to them, if you are a supplier or a manufacturer, and if you are giving your product to someone else also, then you can give your the retailer's name and the turnover. So minimum 3 retailer, and if you are not giving to anyone, so you can just put a hyphen over there and turnover as 000 and submit it. And if you have any doubt in this, you can just email me, or just put it in the description below. So thank you for watching, guys, and don't make sure you subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you.